Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear app data on Android. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If your phone feels sluggish or takes longer to open apps, upgrading to one of the base Android phone for battery life is an option, but a simpler solution might do the trick. Clearing your phone apps cache and data while Android does an incredible job of managing resources of your the box and only take a few seconds to remove cache files and image from the various apps on your phone. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. Case memory stores temporary data from browsers, games, streaming, and other apps. This data includes miscellaneous information such as thumbnails, video snippets, and search history. So to delete that, you can just open your settings on your phone. You can just scroll down. You can tap on apps, tap on manage apps. You can choose on the apps that you want to delete the data and the cache. Maybe for the example, you want to delete from your Twitch account, maybe this one. You can just choose on the app and you'll find there is an option clear data. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose clear cache or clear data. If you want to choose to only clear the cache, you can just tap on clear case. Now you delete the case on your uh, Twitch app, and also you can delete all data. And if you delete all data on your app, all the data on the app, like your account information, will be deleted, but it doesn't mean your account is gone. You still log in back to your account, like this one. So if you want to log in again, you can just uh, log in to your account, or you can delete the data on your apps on or Android phone by tap and hold on the apps that you want to delete the data. Tap on the information icon and here you can just clear. So simple, right? So that is how to delete data apps on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.